Oksana, veja.
Oksana, ungasikhulo mesigesi.
No, I'm just trying to say.
Ungasikhulo mesigesi.
No, but I just...
Oh Lord.
Ungasikhulo mesigesi.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in and subscribing to this channel. Guys, we are talking about Asavela. She is portraying character of Sibahle Zungu Ngubane Undlovukazi on Isibaya. She left many fans confused after posting onset pregnancy. This is what she said, guys. The best thing I've ever done. I can't wait to meet you. Taking you to set was kind of scary, but with all the risk assessments the team at Bomb Production put in place, I feel confident and happy to introduce you to the world. I'm going to call you Mfihlo lol because of the level of secrecy that we share. Thank you, Isibaya, for the continuous support you have given us. To all the mothers out there, stay safe, healthy, and strong in this difficult time. So, abantu, they started commenting and saying, congratulations, and. But again, guys, yes, Sibahle looks beautiful with her pregnancy. But I am convinced it's for Isibaya, guys, because on her April Instagram pictures, Sibahle was not pregnant at all. So there is no way she can look 6 months pregnant in May. But you can leave your comment below and share your thoughts. Till we meet again, I love you so much, guys. Bye.